Isang car lang kanina. Hintayin na natin.
There was two cars, I think. I think where Ian had his other car.
Yes. You got it.
Look, we're bunnies. So by the time we get home, gising na siya. $470 stars. Thank you. Say thank you.
Thank you. Because my brain is low bad. Empty words already.
Oh, you used everything already?
Yes.
It's okay. You can repeat. It's the same words.
When I say it, it's already finished.
So when I
It
see
will
your
come back
face,
tomorrow. If I say it.
that I won't change.
Yes. If I say it already, I cannot.
Because you're a briefing.
You just have to repeat.
No, I cannot.
You
I
just
can.
repeat.
I need to sleep.
You just
so
repeat
it
it right
will
now.
come back.
But you just
But
repeat
you'll
it right
come tomorrow.
What?
You
No,
just, yes.
no.
Shh.
Don't do that to me.
Stop
Stop.
it.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yes.
Yep.
See, I told you guys, my English will be little.
Okay. 21.2. Okay. Are we gonna wait for her classmate? Yeah.
Oo, malamang. Yung video.
We still have
How do you know?
27 minutes to wait.
How do you know the classmate that we're
Yes.
supposed to meet?
Yes.
Is it because they get out at 12?
I don't know.
I thought she
There's
said
no
11.
school today.
I thought she
It's
said 11.
holiday.
Kung pagod ka na, Mama B, sandal to Papa.
No, Basher will come again. Another day. And be mad again. And bash again. Yeah.
But
Basher is waiting there.
I
I can see there.
don't think bashers are bad. I think bashers
I
are
think
good.
Basher knows you.
You think?
Hi, Basher. Thanks for watching anyways.
Yung 27 ba?
June 27 in San Francisco.
Hindi, yung sa Canada.
What?
Canada
Mama
is
Dong?
26.
What are you talking about, Mama Dong?
June
You
26,
said this is where's the concert? Where's the concert in Canada?
Victoria, BC.
Victoria.
And I'll be with Little Eddie. And Little Eddie's
Who
my
is
guest.
little Eddie?
Then
The one who sang
9.
Statue. I'm like a statue.
July 9 will be on.
Very nice song.
Very nice song.
Spencer, what was that?
Lloyd Minster.
Lloyd and
Lloyd Minster.
Lloyd.
Yes, guys, my guest is Little Eddie. So, for those of you that like the song Statue, he will be with me. No,
He will be with you all the time.
He will be with me on all the shows there.
All the time there.
All the time there.
Yes.
Why is my English not English?
They're gonna stick together like
Yeah.
this stick.
Little Eddie.
Yes.
If you guys know Little Eddie, the one who sang Statue, siya yun.
Can we hear statue from you?
I'm like a statue, start staring right at you.
Can you finish the song?
I don't know the rest of the words.
Can you sing 5 songs?
5 songs where?
So I can rest my English.
I think they want to hear your English.
We want to hear your voice. You sing.
I think
You sang very well.
they like your English better.
You sang song very well.
Oh,
You
what?
sang song. You sang song very well, huh?
Sang song.
Yeah.
Kangkong.
Oh, there. RG. RG, hello. What's up?
You can see it from there? You have good eyesight, huh?
Of course.
Yeah.
I can see the Basher. It's there.
Yeah?
I want to see the basher.
Who's
They're
the basher?
watching.
Hi, basher. Enjoy bashing.
Who's the basher?
Bashing every day.
Yeah, bash anywhere, everywhere.
Because we also love the basher. We want you to bash us always so that you're happy.
And
And
we grow.
We
We
grow.
grow our family.
yes, we have hi to KKK bashing fans.
Oh, look at the plane.
Other the plane. That's my big plane.
That's your plane, Mama?
Yeah, no, the small.
Oh, hello, everyone. Thanks for watching.
Wow.
Yes.
You want me to make it higher? There. Delilah. Okay, ano pa guys?
I can't think of words. You talk.
I think I need to go to the restroom.
There, the restroom is there. Go there. Straight ahead and then turn left. Or right. Just check. Where's the bathroom?
Si Mami Ken, malayo kasi siya sa...
Over there.
Pero,
What?
Mami Ken is so far in your concert venue, but
It's so what?
she will...
It's so
is
far.
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 So far.
Far.
So far.
Is it far? Is it far or far?
Like in
Far. But she will try to book ticket. If she book ticket, she will announce to me.
Wow.
Announce.
Announce.
It's gonna be so it's gonna be announcement.
It's
It's
gonna
big.
It's gonna
It's a big
broadcast.
announcement.
She's gonna broadcast.
Oh my
Then, she left the group.
So mommy can just left the group.
She will buy ticket, and if you have merchant, she will buy merchant.
Wow.
Then, she will buy
Thank you
gift
so
for
much.
Katie,
Oh.
Kat, and me.
And Mama Dong.
she will
Give it to me.
please to you to
Wow.
bring.
She's pleased.
Yeah.
She will please to me. Up. Up, up.
We're going up, up, up. It's our voice. Beautiful, we're glowing. Gotta be cool.
I think Katie's messaging.
Check your cell phone. You text Katie. Oh no.
Oh, whoa, what happened? No wonder why it's sticky.
Splurge.
Okay, here, let's do this.
No, you
No.
put the camera to Mama Dong.
No, you
Go,
did this
go,
also.
go to
Let me show
Mama
you how to
Dong.
clean your
Put
hand.
the camera to Mama Dong.
What's that?
This is a basahan.
Yeah. That's a rain.
It's a basahan.
It's a green.
Diba, guys?
Right.
Splash of bully.
Mama na.
But we need to wait.
We need
For
to wait
Katie's
well.
classmate.
Yeah.
Like,
How you contact?
I don't know. I
I go home.
I stopped this already. I'll check my phone when it's 12.
Yeah.
Go to the bathroom. There. It's there. Just straight here. This way.
I'm still cooking it.
You're gonna make
I'm
poop?
still,
Are you gonna make poop?
I'm still cooking.
Oh.
Yeah,
So you're gonna make poop?
something like that.
Oh my god.
Something like that.
Thank you so much, everyone, for tuning in.
Wow, look at the lights go. All the lights are going crazy.
What's that?
Mami Elda.
Hi, Mommy Elda. It's so dark there.
So that she's sleeping.
Oh, she's sleeping.
Oh,
She went home.
She home.
Done swim, go home.
That swimming, she home to...
To the house. She
Yeah.
home to the house.
She went to the house to change the dress. Because she's wet.
Because she's wet, she showered.
No towel. We're in the middle of the beach.
she wants to
We're
drive.
having an English challenge, Mommy. It's so difficult.
Yes.
It's okay. We have 15 minutes.
Yeah. Reese wants us to.
This is not a bad thing, but yes.
There's lots of
This
passion.
is
but
the
I think everybody had a good time though. Didn't you guys have a good time with the English challenge?
Yeah.
Are you guys having fun? Karaoke. Are you guys having fun?
That's the passion. Enjoy watching. Yeah.
They're not answering. They're having fun.
I think they did because they have 10 stars, you have 44, you have 7,
Oh,
you have
thank you
10.
so much.
What time? What time is there?
Are you guys having fun?
What time is dirt?
Already.
I can see they're having fun.
That's your resting time.
No!
Oh yeah.
No cell phone!
What do you guys think about the no cell phone
Yeah,
challenge
you have
for 3 hours?
No way. We're not...
Press 1 if you guys like it.
Yes, mommy.
Press 1 if you guys want a no cell phone challenge.
Okay lang na pa. We have naman here.
Your face, look at this face.
We have here. It's a bomb, yes.
I think it's a good idea.
Yes, ma'am.
So we can all be present in the moment.
Whatever.
Right,
Just
guys.
what
I will.
Rocky.
Want to
Is mommy preparing the money to send it to you? No. Not now?
No.
Not now, mommy. Not yet. Not yet.
Katie's mom. Where's Katie's mom? There, it's there in her bag. Pink bag.
There you go. I need to stretch.
Oh, your legs are
Your legs is
in pain? I'm gonna put balm.
I think I need to stretch.
Hey.
Yes.
It's getting numb. Yeah.
Oh. You put
Yeah,
Katie's
Katie's
balm.
I think I need Katie's bump to make me stronger.
Yeah. What do you want? Do you want yellow or you want a purple?
I like the
or
pink one because I'm wearing blue today.
You want to be happy.
Yeah, I'm always happy.
But it's not open.
Which one?
Oh my God.
Oh, let's do the open one.
But you need to buy
No,
this.
let's do the open one.
You need to buy this.
Let's just sell it.
Ay, all of these are not open.
Oh no. Don't we have an open one?
You relax
You need
first,
to open.
mommy. I will call you again later. Love you, mommy.
Love you.
Love you, Tommy.
Mommy, can you put this in the bag? So guys, we're gonna use Katie's balm for
For my legs.
legs. Sure. Kanina pa kamang namin mo. Dali na, dali. Sisi ata.
One.
Thank you.
Patungo na rin.
Thank you.
Salamat.
Thank you po. Thank you. No, Makarandan. Don't do this to me.
What are they doing? What did they do?
Miss B is so funny doing English challenge.
I love it.
You just find me so cute, so I need to stop this. You just find me attractive, so I need to stop this already, guys. Yes, I'm so cute when I'm speaking English. And I need to put distance, you know.
I think she's funny.
Yeah, so you'll find me cute. So I'll attract you. So I don't like that, my God. Please. Oh.
Uh-oh.
Oh my God.
Pa-picture tayo ng swap.
Kaya nga. Can I just see?
Let's yeah.
Ma'am, okay lang po.
Sure, Kaya. Okay lang po doon. Okay lang po.
Ano lang kami?
Okay, sige. Ganda po ng outfit.
Mama, ang laki mo. Yeah. Picture there. 1, 2,
Closer, yeah.